Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy a Netflix plan. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright, what you want to do is open up any web browser on your mobile device, or if you're on a PC or laptop, you can follow along too. And then once you open up a browser, head on over to netflix.com. I'm in Australia, so it will have AU at the end. If you're in a different region, it will say a different ending from AU. So what you want to do now is create an account. If you already got an account, click on sign in. So I'm just going to go through the quick process of creating an account. So I'm going to put in my email address here. And once I've done that, I'm going to click on get started. Now it says finish setting up your account. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to add a password. Once that is done, I'm going to click onto next here. And now step 2 of 3 is choose your plan. So now this is the same thing as purchasing a subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto next. And now you're going to come to this page here. So choose the plan that's right for you. So we've got a choice of doing 4K plus HDR, standard, or standard with ads. So if I click on the different plans, the monthly price will change. So once you picked your plan here, what you want to do is scroll down. You can read the devices your household can watch Netflix on, 2 and 2. Click onto next. And now choose how you pay. So you can either use your debit or credit card, PayPal, or gift code. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do credit card. And now what you want to do is put in your 16-digit credit card details there. Expiry date with CVV number and name on your card. And for whatever reason, if you want to change your plan before making the purchase, you can click on change, click on I agree. And then after that, click on the big red start membership button below. And then you have successfully purchased a Netflix subscription. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.